Let's try Star Blast. I want to pick a flavor.
Manaramdaman mo na lang parang dumadaan lang na sa
Oh my, this is
Pero pag uminit yan,
watermelon. Okay. Okay. Cheers.
mas mainit yan dito kaysa dyan, di ba? Hindi masyado mainit sa inyo. Kaya wala kayong ano dyan. Wala kayong aircon dyan.
Not bad. Good.
Oo nga pala yung street type,
You can taste the
Watermelon.
watermelon. That's my favorite part. So I got watermelon, backwards, watermelon, grape, tutti frutti, blueberry, and strawberry. It was so good. I want to eat the blueberry one.
Ha? Andito. Hindi pa. Andito pa.
Bye.